I'm Rob with Morrison Industrial Equipment. With all that you've got going on in your material handling application, it can be easy to overlook your forklift tires. Your tires do more than just roll the equipment across your facility. They are your suspension, they are your shock absorption system. They help protect the truck, your load, and the operator from injury and damage. As a tire accumulates wear, its effectiveness is reduced. Worn tires promote excessive wear and tear on your transmission, increase fuel costs, and can damage your floors. All of these things drive up maintenance cost. Worn tires also promote a serious safety risk, increasing the odds of a costly accident due to tire slipping, instability, possibly a tip over. So what are some of the signs of a worn tire? And when should they be replaced? Tire inspection should be a part of every daily pre-operational safety inspection. You want to look for chunking or uneven wear on the tread. You want to look for cracking or tearing on the sidewall. For a cushion tire, we recommend replacement when you've obtained 2 inches of wear from the original width of the tire or before you get to the wear indicator line here. Measure vertically to account for compression. For a pneumatic tire, replace it when the tread is gone. If any tire wears to the wear indicator line seen here, you should replace it immediately as a safety concern is now present. The tire is no longer able to carry the weight it was made for. At Morrison Industrial Equipment, we provide free, no obligation tire surveys designed to help you get the most out of your forklifts. Not only do we report the condition of the tires, but we provide a custom maintenance plan based on your business application designed to boost productivity and reduce downtime. And don't miss our annual September tire sale. We save our customers hundreds of thousands of dollars every year with our factory back discounts. Contact us today, schedule your free tire survey, and see how much money you can save. Thank you for watching.